Save money, improve your garden, and be kind to the environment by creating what many gardeners call black gold. Simply convert plant-based kitchen scraps and garden waste into valuable compost, no matter how much time and space are available. Compost is an amazing soil amendment that improves aeration and drainage in clay soils while increasing the water and nutrient retention of sandy, rocky soils. It feeds your plants and the good soil microorganisms to create a healthy growing foundation for your garden. But it does so much more. The good news? Composting is as easy as putting plant debris into a heap and letting it decompose. The more effort you put in, the sooner you'll have finished compost to add to your garden. When building your compost pile, include these. But not these. Start your pile in an accessible space hidden by nearby plantings, fences, or decorative bins, or right in the garden. Mix nitrogen-rich green materials with carbon-rich browns. Top this 8 to 10 inch layer with compost and sprinkle 3 cups of a low nitrogen, slow release fertilizer like Milorganite over this layer. The nitrogen and 85% organic filler help feed the microorganisms that break down the raw materials into compost. Continue layering with plant debris, compost, and fertilizer until the pile is at least 3 feet high. Moisten to the consistency of a damp sponge. Turn the pile frequently, moving the more decomposed materials in the center to the outside and less decomposed to the center. Those with limited time and space may choose a dual batch tumbler composter. These devices allow you to load and unload the compost bin with minimal physical stress. The dual bins separate active composting from stockpiling of raw materials. This speeds up composting since you're not continually adding new materials to your active pile. Plus, the elevated hard plastic prevents rodent problems. Place raw materials in one bin. Once it's full, add some finished compost, Milorganite fertilizer, and moisten. Give it a spin every few days. Continue to add raw materials, compostables, to the other side. Once this is fully decomposed, harvest the compost and start the process over. You can harvest finished compost from a carefully constructed and managed pile in as few as 3 months during warm weather. Most fine compost is ready in 6 to 12 months. Or just harvest the finished compost when it's brown and crumbly from the bottom of the pile and keep composting the rest. No matter the level of effort, you will end up with a wonderful amendment for the garden. And as you enjoy the increased productivity and beauty that finished composting provides, you'll find more ways to include composting into your gardening.